Wow, banana.
Hey, Pris! Since when you work out?
Oh, I just started today. Oh, and I'm going to Tioman. Need to train for my beach body.
Tioman, when are you going?
Tomorrow.
Huh?
So, according to Travel Insider, this is the place we're going to go, okay? So first, we're going to queue for 4 hours, leaving us 5 minutes to order and 2 minutes for toilet break. If you take longer than that, I will order for you, which I don't think you want because I eat a lot of tofu. And then once the food arrives, 12 seconds to take picture of the food. And then we eat. Understand?
Can we just skip breakfast and sleep in?
No. Recently, we are not going to waste our holiday sleeping and relaxing. Understand or not? Who does that?
Hello, Mummy. So my flight is tomorrow morning. I'll be away for 2 days. Yeah, okay, you have to take this down, okay? My insurance plan and everything is in my first drawer. My bank book is under my bed. And most importantly, right, Ma, my password is your birthday, okay? Ma, I love you, okay?
Babe, can I put my jacket in your bag? Might have no space already, please.
Oh.
Thank you.
Let's go Iceland.
Oh yes, yeah. Let's research on Travel Insider.
Okay. Hey guys, let's go next month. There are a lot of deals on Agoda and Expedia. See?
Okay, good.
Let's do search. Hey, this is good.
Hi, welcome aboard. Board? Can I help you, sir? Oh, this is your seat. Traveling alone?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me help you with that luggage.
Hello, Thomas. Hey, how you doing, bro? Yes, I missed you so much. Hey, remember me or not? Yeah. Yes. Hey, listen, I'm going to Korea in a few days' time. So I was thinking if we could catch up, yeah? If it makes things easier for you, I could stay at yours. Yeah. Oh, you're no longer at Korea? Okay, bye. Don't waste my time. Phone bill. Call another person. Kim. Hey, Kim!
Hey, are you guys going Taipei? I know so much about Taipei. You guys heard about the Yangmingshan Park? It's so beautiful. Can take a lot of pictures. Can I come? How about you guys try this place called The Raw? Because the only thing raw about the place is the name. Get it? I know a lot of good food places in Taipei. I want to go. Or
Actually, we have the site lah, so you no need to read out to us.
你好，谢谢 Chinese 我是新加坡人 Easy
你好。
请问厕所在哪里？
厕所啊？你要去厕所啊？厕所，你看到这个桥吗？这好大一个桥嘛，好便宜的，你随便拿一个车，然后往北骑5公里哈，然后你再走往西走，你再走2公里的，到那边就有一个菜市场，然后很多公共厕所的，随便挑一个就可以了。
You speak English?
Yes, you see this big bridge, you just go over.
Wow, banana.
Shall we follow this recommended route by the local insiders? Doesn't look as touristy as the others.
But why listen to others when you can listen to your heart?
Yeah, let's go.
Listen to my heart.
Hey, I think we could get a free map from the airport.
A free map can't beat a free spirit.
Okay, so to get there by plane, it will be 2 hours, by train, it will be 12 hours, and by car, it will be 14 hours.
How about we walk there? Let's cut down on our carbon footprint.